Text progress bar in terminal with block characters. I wrote a simple console app to upload and download files from an FTP server using the FLIB. I would like the app to show some visualization of its download/upload progress for the user. Each time a data chunk is downloaded, I would like it to provide a progress update, even if it's just a numeric representation like a percentage. Importantly, I want to avoid erasing all the text that's been printed to the console in previous lines. I don't want to clear the entire terminal while printing the updated progress. This seems a fairly common task. How can I go about making a progress bar or similar visualization that outputs to my console while preserving prior program output?
Python 3. A simple, customizable progress bar. Here's an aggregate of many of the answers below that I use regularly, no imports required. Note, all code in this answer was created for Python 3, see end of answer to use this code with Python 2. Sample usage. Sample output. Update. There was discussion in the comments regarding an option that allows the progress bar to adjust dynamically to the terminal window width. While I don't recommend this, here's a gist that implements this feature, and notes the caveats. Single cool version of the above. A comment below referenced a nice answer posted in response to a similar question. I liked the ease of use it demonstrated and wrote a similar one, but opted to leave out the import of the sys module while adding in some of the features of the original print progress bar function above. Some benefits of this approach over the original function above include the elimination of an initial call to the function to print the progress bar at 0% and the use of enumerate becoming optional, i.e. it is no longer explicitly required to make the function work. Sample usage. Sample output. Python 2. To use the above functions in Python 2, set the encoding to UTF-8 at the top of your script, and replace the Python 3 string formatting in this line with Python 2 string formatting.
Writing backslash or will move the cursor back to the beginning of the line. This displays a percentage counter.
TQDM, add a progress meter to your loops in a second.
Write a \r to the console. That is a carriage return which causes all text after it to be echoed at the beginning of the line. Something like, which will give you something like, #100%.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.